Becoming a parent is exciting, but having the right baby essentials can make life a whole lot easier. Today, we're counting down 15 incredible baby products that help with feeding, sleeping, grooming, travel, and everyday care. Every single product featured in this video is linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out and find the perfect essentials for your growing family. What if you could keep an eye on your baby from anywhere with complete confidence? The Dr.Care VistaView Baby Monitor delivers crystal clear 2K HD video, intelligent night vision, motion and cry detection, plus a massive wireless range for reliable monitoring throughout your home. With smartphone access, two-way talk, and military-grade encryption, it gives parents peace of mind day and night. If dependable monitoring is a priority, this is a smart investment. You'll find the product link waiting below in the video description. Could this be the monitor your nursery has been missing? Want complete control over what goes into your baby's meals? The NutriBullet Baby Complete Food Making System makes preparing fresh homemade food fast and simple. Its powerful blending system creates smooth purees in minutes, while included storage containers help organize meals for busy weeks. BPA-free components and easy cleanup make daily use effortless. For parents focused on nutrition and convenience, this system is worth considering. The purchase link can be found in the description section. Would homemade baby food fit into your parenting routine? Every parent knows the little things matter, especially when caring for a newborn. This 14-in-1 baby grooming kit combines essential tools like a soft brush, nail scissors, nasal aspirator, finger toothbrush, and medicine dropper into one travel-friendly package. Built with baby-safe materials, it helps simplify daily care while keeping everything organized. It's affordable, practical, and perfect for first-time parents. Check the description box if you'd like to learn more. Which tool in this kit would you use first? Imagine cutting bottle cleaning time down to almost nothing. The Momcozy KleanPal Pro automatically washes, sterilizes, dries, and stores feeding essentials in one machine. Powerful spray jets, multiple cleaning modes, and HEPA filter protection help keep bottles spotless and ready to use. It's especially valuable for pumping and formula feeding families looking to save precious time every day. The direct product access is available through the description below. How much time would this save in your household? Need extra hands without putting your baby down? The Infantino Flip 4-in-1 carrier offers 4 carrying positions and grows with your child from newborn to toddler. Its adjustable ergonomic design distributes weight comfortably, while breathable materials help during long outings. Whether you're shopping, traveling, or simply handling daily tasks, this carrier keeps your baby close while freeing up your movement. You can locate the featured item through the links below. Is baby wearing something you'd like to try more often? Here's a small essential that can make a big difference in your baby's daily hygiene. The Papablic Baby Tongue Cleaner helps gently remove milk residue and buildup from delicate gums and tongues, supporting better oral care from day one. Each disposable swab is individually wrapped, ultra-soft, and designed for safe use on newborns and infants. Simple, hygienic, and travel-friendly, it's a product many parents wish they had discovered sooner. The item featured here is conveniently linked in the description below. Would this become part of your baby's everyday routine? Bath time should be fun, safe, and stress-free. That's exactly what the BUNWAG Baby Bathtub delivers with its collapsible design, soft support cushion, and built-in digital thermometer. The real-time temperature display helps ensure water stays comfortable, while non-slip feet provide extra stability during bath sessions. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage or travel. If convenience matters, this bathtub deserves a closer look. You'll find the shopping link listed below. Can you picture using this during your baby's first baths? Feeding on the go doesn't have to be complicated anymore. The Momcozy Portable Bottle Warmer gives parents a cordless way to warm breast milk or water quickly wherever they are. Its long-lasting battery, leak-resistant design, and fast heating performance make it ideal for road trips, flights, outings, and late-night feedings. Compact enough for diaper bags, yet powerful enough for daily use, it brings convenience wherever parenting takes you. The product information is available through the description links. Could this solve your travel feeding challenges? Looking for a way to support development while keeping your baby entertained? The Blissful Diary Play Gym Mat combines comfort, sensory stimulation, and learning into one beautifully designed activity space. Featuring 6 detachable toys, tummy time support, and stage-based developmental activities, it encourages motor skills, visual engagement, and curiosity. Soft materials and easy maintenance make it a practical addition to any nursery. The featured product can be accessed through the links below. Which activity do you think your little one would enjoy most? If you're building a complete newborn care setup, this next product checks nearly every box. The Momcozy Elite Baby Kit combines grooming, health, and cleansing essentials into one organized package. From the electric nail trimmer and nasal aspirator to the thermometer, teether, tummy wrap, and bath brush, everything is designed to simplify daily baby care. It's an excellent choice for first-time parents who want confidence and convenience in one solution. The direct product link is waiting in the description section. Could this be the ultimate baby starter kit for your family? Modern parenting demands flexibility, and this wearable breast pump is built for exactly that. The Momcozy M5 allows moms to pump discreetly while working, traveling, or handling everyday tasks. Its lightweight hands-free design, smart app controls, multiple pumping modes, and customizable suction levels create a comfortable and efficient experience. With a personalized fit and easy cleaning, it helps simplify one of the most important parts of early parenthood. You'll discover the product link in the description below. Could this make your pumping routine far more convenient? Sometimes the simplest products make the biggest impact. The Ubbi retractable bag dispenser keeps disposal bags organized, accessible, and ready whenever diaper changes happen away from home. Its retractable mechanism prevents wasted bags, while the compact design clips easily onto strollers or diaper bags. The lavender-scented bags help control odors, making outings cleaner and more comfortable. It's a small accessory that solves a common parenting challenge. Check out the featured item through the description section. Is this the diaper bag upgrade you've been looking for? Need a comfortable spot where your baby can relax while you get things done? The AOOTSMILE Baby Bouncer offers ergonomic support with a natural bouncing motion designed to soothe and entertain. Adjustable recline positions, ultra-soft fabric, and a secure harness create a comfortable environment for growing babies. Lightweight construction makes moving it around the house effortless, while the toy bar adds extra engagement. The purchase details are available through the links below. Can you see this becoming your baby's favorite seat in the house? Sleep can be one of the biggest challenges for new parents, and this portable sound machine is designed to help. Packed with 12 calming sounds including white noise, rain, ocean waves, and lullabies, it creates a soothing sleep environment wherever you go. The compact design clips onto strollers, car seats, or cribs, while the long battery life keeps it running through naps and nighttime routines. For families who travel often, it's a valuable companion. You'll find the product information linked below. Which sound would work best for your little sleeper? When your child isn't feeling well, speed and accuracy matter. The iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer delivers precise readings in just 1 second without making physical contact. Its infrared technology, silent vibration alerts, and bright display make it especially useful for checking temperatures while babies sleep. Easy operation and hygienic design make it a practical tool every family should have available. The featured thermometer can be found through the description links. Would this provide extra peace of mind in your home? Those were 15 amazing baby essentials designed to make parenting easier, safer, and more convenient every single day. Whether you're preparing for a newborn or upgrading your current baby gear, these products offer practical solutions for feeding, sleeping, travel, grooming, and care. Remember, every single product featured in this video is linked in the description below. Which of these baby essentials was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more must-have product recommendations.